Are you ready to take back your basement and stop worrying about a wet, leaky mess every time it rains or snow melts? Your answer is the SealOnce Basement System. Our do-it-yourself waterproofing system is ideal for basements that leak water through the joint where the floor and walls meet. Install the SealOnce Basement System without busting up concrete or digging around your home's foundation. The SealOnce Basement System taps into the source to relieve the hydrostatic pressure in your wet basement to collect the seeping water and drain it away. The SealOnce Basement System will help you go from a wet, leaky basement to a worry-free, clean, and dry space in a weekend. SealOnce Basement System main sections come in easy-to-install 4-foot channels and are bonded watertight to your concrete floor with a specially formulated SealOnce waterproofing adhesive. The hollow baseboard channel quietly collects seeping water and drains it away into your sump pump or floor drain. Take back your basement with the SealOnce Basement System. Order your custom do-it-yourself basement waterproofing kit based on your basement's measurements, and we'll ship it directly to your home. With over 50 years of proven performance, our SealOnce Basement System has helped thousands and thousands of homeowners finally solve their wet basement problem for good. Your basement is next. Get a quote for your project at waterproof.com/DIY.